da no tũkĩririe rĩngĩ nĩkũnyitĩrĩra ndorega nĩ gwĩka haha thĩinĩ. Naambia msiniangalie, bado mnaniangalia. Sitaki mniangalie, msiniangalie. Tafadhali. Kujeni tu mkiongea tu hivyo. Nice.
Hata Mungu anasema tuongee vitu vizuri, tuone vitu vizuri.
Tuone ile baya.
Yes.
Watu wa kule
na hiyo
bwana dasari. Ilikuwa benchmark. Tisa wafasi wote tuone. Zile sasa wata.
Nice. Endelea tu kumtengeneza hadi nikwambie.
Mpaka ambiwe.
The story about the plight of the foreign soldiers' widows whose marriage had not been legalized was painful. It is our belief that my sons and my daughters, when you agree to legalize the marriages that you have today, it would not only resolve the issue of legitimacy of your marriage, but it also secures your wife and your children upon an eventuality or unfortunate situation which happens to all of us, and especially in your line of duty. And that's why I said I respect uniformed officer, because you secure this nation, you secure every family, and you do it at the risk of losing and paying the ultimate price. And you always do it willingly. So secure your family and secure your wife. Secondly, due to the nature of your work again, you are exposed to more life-threatening risks, and sometimes you may pay the ultimate price, life. Some of the servicemen, widows, and children are destitute today. Why? At your recruitment to service, it happens when you are very young, and most of you, on your records, you have put your parents. And that means that your next of kin is your parents. And later, upon getting families, you forget to update the records to capture information about your spouses and children. Therefore, the spouses and the children end up being exposed to losing their right in the matrimonial properties. These challenges notwithstanding, we must brave and live fulfilling lives, full of happiness and family warmth. We must live with each other daily, loving each other every minute,